Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 3 Science Olympiad. And in class 3 Science Olympiad, what things we are going to discuss today? Today we are going to discuss the previous year questions of SOF NSO level 1 exam. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, unscramble the given letters to find out the name of a means of transport and select the correct option regarding the number of wheels it possesses. Okay. So, here it is given. Options are A1, B4, C3, D more than 4. So, we have to unscramble the given letter to find out the name of a means of transport and the correct option excuse me, regarding the number of wheels it possesses. Okay, so if we unscramble it, we will get what? It is rickshaw. Okay, so how many wheels a rickshaw possesses? Yes, can you tell? Yes, it's very easy. 3. Right. So correct answer is option C, that is 3. Coming to the next question. Aman likes to eat junk food every day. He should avoid eating such food every day because options are A. This will eventually lead to health problem. B. Such food contains unwanted fats. C. Such food is a rich source of protein. D. Both A and B. So Aman likes to eat junk food every day. So he should avoid eating such food. Why? So we all like junk foods, right? So it is tasty, but we should not take junk food regularly. Okay, we should try to avoid it. Why? Yes, because it contains unwanted fats. Okay, and if it contains unwanted fat, then what will happen? This will eventually lead to health problems. So option A, that is correct. This will eventually lead to health problems. B, such food contains unwanted fats. This is also correct. So here the correct answer is option D, both A and B. Coming to the next question, woolen cloths that we wear in winter are made with the material obtained from dash. Options are A, there is a plant, B, silk, C, there is a silkworm, D, here another plant is there. Okay, so woolen cloth that we wear in winter, from which substance, from which material these woolen cloths are made? It is from wool. And from where we get the wool? It is from the sea. Right? So here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question. Salini lives in an area where it rains heavily and floods are common. She most likely lives in a dash. So 4 types of houses are there, and what is given that Salini lives in an area where it rains heavily and floods are common. Okay, so she most likely lives in a what? In the area where heavy rain is there, floods are common. In that cases, houses are made on the stilt. Yes, so we have to find the stilt house. Okay, so among the given option, which one is the stilt house? Can you tell? It is the first option, that is the option A. Got it? Coming to the next question, which type of bird has the foot as shown in the picture? Options are A, perching bird, B, scratching bird, C, wading bird, D, climbing bird. Okay, so which type of bird has the foot as shown in the picture? So this type of foot that you can see how the structure of foot is there, how the nails are there. So these are the features of the scratching bird. Okay, so here the correct answer is option B, that is scratching bird. Coming to the next question, the shape of the earth is spherical but it appears flat to us. What could be the most appropriate reason for this? Options are A, the earth is divided into 2 halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. B, the earth spins on its inclined axis. C, we see only a small part of a very big curve of the earth. D, the shape of the orbit in which the earth moves is elliptical. So, we all know the shape of the earth is spherical. Right? You must have seen the globe. That is the representation of the earth. Yes. But do we feel that earth is spherical? No. it appears flat to all of us, right? So what could be the most appropriate reason for this? It is because we see only a small part of a very big curve of the earth. Earth is spherical, but it is a very big thing, right? And what portion we can see, that is only the small part of the very big curve of the earth. That's why it appears to us as flat. Got it? Coming to the next question. Mittu while driving sees the road sign shown here. She should dash. Options are A. Take a right turn. B. Stop blowing horn. C. Slow down. D. Stop to let the train cross. So Mittu while driving sees the road sign shown here. She should do what? This is the road sign. So if this type of road sign is there, that means we need to drive slow. We need to slow down, particularly at that place. Okay. So correct answer is option C. So basically this is honk. Coming to the next question. Which of the following products do you get from the animal shown in the picture? So what animal is seen in this picture? It is a honeybee, right? What are the options given? A. Honey. B. Butter. C. Milk. Okay. And here D. There is a wetware. Yes. Woolen cap is there. So what we get from this honeybee? It is quite easy, right? So it is option A, that is honey. Coming to the next question. In the morning, Asu finds that the tap in the bathroom is leaking. Unscramble the given letter groups to find out the name of the professional who can fix it. So A, B, C, D, four options are there. What does Asu find? Asu finds that the tap in the bathroom is leaking. Okay. So can you tell me the name of the professional who can fix this problem? Yes. You all must be knowing this, right? So it is plumber. Now we have to find out among the given option that in which option, if we unscramble, we will get the word that is plumber. Where it is present in option D, right? So option D is the correct answer. Coming to the next question. Swati cannot hear the sound made by Ishika if there is a dash between them. Options are A. Water, B. Air, C. Vacuum, D. None of these. So, Swati cannot hear the sound made by Ishika if there is dash between them. You know that sound, it needs medium, right? So for hearing sound, there should be a medium. It may be air, it may be water. But if there is presence of no medium, that is in case of vacuum, sound cannot travel. So if vacuum is there between Swatika and Ishika, they cannot hear each other. Got it? So correct answer is option C, that is vacuum. Coming to the next question. Which of the following is a national festival of India? Options are A. Independence Day, B. Diwali, C. Gandhi Jayanti, D. both A and C. So it is quite easy, right? We all know which of the following is a national festival of India? Independence Day, that is a national festival, that is 15th August, right? Gandhi Jayanti, that is 2nd October, it is also National Festival of India. Diwali, no. Then what should be the correct option? Both A and C, that is the option D. Coming to the next question. Select the correct match. Tools and professionals are there. Okay. In option A, it is for tailor. In B, it is for mechanic. C for cobbler. D for farmer. So what should be the answer? You must have seen these professionals working, right? Yes. So tailor use this thing? No. Mechanic use this? No. Cobbler use this? Yes. Farmer use this? No. So which one is the correct option? That is option C. Coming to the next question. Which of the following kids is showing bad habit? So what is that? In option A, that boy, he is pushing the tail of the cat. Should we do that? No, right? So it is a bad thing. B, this boy and girl, they are playing, right? So playing, yes, it is a good thing, not bad. See, this girl is throwing this things in the dustbin. Okay, must be the garbages in the dustbin. So this is a good habit. So, and option D, none of these. So which one is the correct answer? That is option A. We should not tease animals. Yes? Okay. Coming to the next question. Select the incorrect match out of the following. Options are A, maternal grandmother's son, uncle. B, cousin's father, nephew. C, grandfather's wife, grandmother. D, sister's daughter, niece. Okay. So we have to select the incorrect match. That is based on the relationship, right? Maternal grandfather's son, uncle. This one is correct. Cousin's father, nephew. No. Cousin's father will be uncle. Yes. Grandfather's wife, grandmother, correct. Sister's daughter, niece. This is also correct. So here the incorrect match is option B. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question. I grow underground and have eyes. You eat me as a vegetable. Starting from the first letter, cross out every alternative letter in the following options and select the one which gives my name. So, I grow underground and have eyes, and you eat me as a vegetable. What we need to do, starting from the first letter, we have to cross out every alternative letter. Okay. So, what we get here? That is chili. In option B, that is P. In option C, it is potato. In option D, that sorry, yes, it is SPINACH, spinach, right? So we have eyes and underground. This is the case of potato. So option C is the correct answer. Got it, everyone? So this was for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye, everyone.